hacer become in the future tense? Are. Ooh, oh no. Are. It becomes are. Very good. What are our other irregulars in the future? Caber. What does caber mean? We don't use it to fit, right? Okay, and it becomes cab. What else? To fit. What else? Okay, what does querer mean? And it becomes quer in the future. What else? Decir, to say or to tell. Decir, to say or to tell. And it becomes dir. Dir. Good. What else? Anything else? I know there's more. Venir. Venir is to come to or to come from, and that came up in the reading yesterday. Venir in the future becomes vendr. Where are we? What's left? Poder. Poder. What does poder mean? And poder in the future becomes pod. Good. Anything else? Valer. To be worth. Valer in the future becomes voucher. Anything else? Yeah. Yes.
So you just
Yeah. So these endings are still going to be the same as the future tense would be. So that's e with an accent, as with an accent, a with an accent, hemos, and an. Okay. So for example, I will have, or how about I will go out? I will go out with my friend. Would be yo saldré con mi amigo. Yo saldré con mi amigo. I'll go a las 8. Now, the reason that future comes up is not only because you talk about what you're going to do in the future, but also when we have certainty, go back to that doubt. When we have certainty, a lot of times what do we end up using? Future. Good. So if we revisit doubt versus future, when there's doubt, what do we use? Subjunctive. El subjuntivo. When there is certainty, when it is certain, we use present or we use future. So let's take a look at a couple of examples and do some comparisons, okay? So the first comparison I want to make is I'm not sure. Let's do I'm not sure again. Ooh, let's do I believe because we haven't done that one. That's a good one. All right, because then we'll see a conjugation. I don't believe that we will go out this weekend versus I believe that we will go out this weekend. Okay. So in one of these we have doubt, and so we have to use what? Subjunctive. Now in English we use future, right? But in Spanish they have to use subjunctive. And then in one of these we have certainty, so we're going to use future. Does anybody want to try? I don't believe that we will go out this weekend. Anybody want to give that one a shot? That's going to be our subjunctive. I don't believe that we will go out this weekend. Go ahead. No creo, because the verb for to believe is creer. No creo que. Now, what's the verb for to leave or to go out? Salir. So I wanted to use one of our irregulars. So no creo que sal. What does salir become? You guys. Yeah. Sure is. In the yo form. Salgamos. Just testing you guys. No creo que salgamos este fin de semana. Nice work. Now turn it around. I believe we will go out this weekend. I'm very confident. Rollin. So in this case it's I believe. Creo que we will go out. Saldremos este fin de semana. Okay, guys, so there is going to be a grammar section just like this, where I'm going to ask you to compare doubt and certainty. And with doubt you use subjunctive, with certainty you use future. Do you have any questions? about that piece.